Hello, here we have a 2016 Buick Cascada with 3,000 miles, convertible. Powered windows, powered mirrors. Powered seat. Automatically goes forward once you pull the latch. Nice and clean interior. You do have your 12-volt outlet. Little tray. Cup holders. Just push it back and it'll automatically go back. Powered passenger. This also does have remote start. Shut it off. Here we have the convertible in action. And all the windows at the same time. Volume station, voice recognition. There you have your cruise control settings. This does have 3,874 miles. There you go. Backup camera, dual climate controls, heated steering wheel, heated seat, an aux, USB, and a 12-volt charging port, parking brake, controls for the convertible, auto dimming review mirror, lighting controls, your headlight controls, fog lights, light dimmer. This does have Bluetooth, navigation,